Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to CVS to check out these deals that do not require a CRT. I am a new shopper at CVS, I guess you can say, and I'm trying to build up my CRTs, and the way CVS works is the more you buy is the better CRTs you get. So, please like, share, and subscribe, and let's get into these deals. Alright you guys, so for our first transaction, we will be picking up 3 of these Skintimate razors priced at $5.99. They're on a promotion this week. When you spend $15, you will get back a $5 ECB. So we're going to go ahead and pick up 3 of them. That is going to average us $17.97, putting us well above that $15 threshold and qualifying us for that $5 ECB. The coupons we will be using are 3 of these Skintimate disposable razor coupons priced at $3 each. You can use 1 digital coupon on your account. Just go ahead and clip it, and 2 paper coupons. Or you could just use 3 paper coupons, whichever you prefer or whatever you have on hand. Me personally, I'm just going to go ahead and use these 3 paper coupons. So those 3 paper coupons are going to total you $9 in savings. So we'll get 3 Skintimate razors priced at $5.99 each, totaling us $17.98. We're going to use 3 of those $3 off coupons, totaling us $9 in coupons. We will be paying out of pocket $8 and I should say 98 cents plus tax. We will be getting back a $5 ECB or extra care buck, making our new out-of-pocket total only $3.97. Next, we are going to grab 2 of these Olay body washes priced 2 for $12. They're on a promotion also this week that when you buy 2, you'll be getting back a $3 ECB or extra care buck. Limit of 1. So you can only do this deal 1 time to get back the $3 registry reward. So we're going to go ahead, pick up 2 of the body washes and or bar soap, whichever you prefer. We're going to be using 1 of these digital coupons that is $2 off of 2. So you'll save $2 when you buy 2 body washes or when you buy 2 bar soaps. That will bring us down to $10 or 2 for $10. Alright you guys, so we are going to get 2 Olay body washes priced at 2 for $12. We're going to be using a $2 off of 2 Olay digital coupon, and we are also going to be using that $5 ECB that we got from our first transaction, making our out-of-pocket now only $5 plus tax. We will be getting back a $3 ECB for buying 2 of the Olays, making our new total 2 for 2 or $1 each. Alright you guys, and this is going to be our last transaction for today at CVS. So we are going to grab 1 of these Tide Pods, the 12 to 16 count, priced at $4.94. We are going to use this $2 off of 1 Tide Pods coupon that you can go ahead and clip to your account. If you don't have this in your CVS account, you can also print this off of the P&G website. And you might also be able to print off the Olay coupons off the P&G website if it didn't come in your September P&G. My region, we don't get the Tide coupons in our P&G. So to total it all off, we are going to pick up 1 Tide Pods at $4.94. We're going to use that $2 off 1 coupon, and we're going to use that $3 ECB that we picked up in the Olay deal, making our out-of-pocket now for these Tide liquid laundry soap pods totally and completely free, you guys. Free. I love free. And for those of you that are just tell me the final price, I just want to know what everything's going to cost me. So the total money or amount of money you are going to be spending at CVS if you do this deal is a total of $13.98 plus tax. You will be paying $8.98 for those 3 razors, $5 for those 2 Olays, and $0 for the pods, or $2.33 each item. Thank you guys for staying tuned and watching my video to the very end. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below if you did like this, and or share with friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you guys are notified every time that I post a brand new video. Thank you for coming on this adventure and hanging with me today. Bye!